Science programmer here at the Palmerston Library. But in my free time, did you know I'm an Inspiration Lab technician? Here in Inspiration Lab, we drive robots. And we add in just a little bit of magic. Today in Inspiration Lab, we are going to make a butterfly flap its wings using static electricity. Have you ever rubbed your feet on the carpet and then went forward to touch something and it shocked you? Ouch! That stuff occurs when charged particles are moved from one object to another. That's static electricity. Today you will need cardboard, tissue paper, cardstock, a pencil, scissors, a glue stick, and a balloon. Start by cutting a square of cardboard. I made my square about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Fold your tissue paper in half and use your pencil, or a marker in our case, to draw on butterfly wings. Make sure your butterfly wings are smaller than the cardboard square. Cut around your pencil lines and then unfold the wings to make the full butterfly. Draw your butterfly's body on your cardstock and then cut it out. Make sure the body is longer than the middle of your butterfly. Place the butterfly wings on your cardboard square, but do not glue them down. Apply glue to the back of your butterfly's body. And then stick down, making sure there's a piece over top of the bottom of the wings and below it. Now we're ready to make our butterfly fly. Blow up a balloon of any size, then rub it on your hair or on a fuzzy blanket. This will give it the electric charge. Make sure your hair is dry when you try it, otherwise it will not work. When you rub the balloon in your hair, particles called electrons are transferred to the balloon, giving it a static charge. When the balloon gets close to the tissue paper, the particles in the balloon and tissue paper are attracted to one another and the tissue paper moves toward the balloon. Rub the balloon in your hair again and again to keep it going. Watch what happens when you pull it away from your hair. If you enjoyed this activity, check out our other experiments and head to our website at wellington.ca/library for more resources.